Hi, my name is Muhammad Kozaimi, and for this project management assignment, we chose the objective of launching a new platform called ShareHub Malaysia. Our project focuses on the community swap with responsible consumption and production. Today, we will be walking you through our complete project management plan, from our initial charter to risk analysis and our final communication strategies. To give you a brief description of our selected project, we first look at a major problem in our society, the throwaway culture. People constantly accumulate items like clothes, books, and electronics that just sit unused or get thrown away because they don't know a safe place to give them away. ShareHub Malaysia is our proposed solution. We are planning a hybrid platform, combining a digital app with physical community booth, to make swapping easy, safe, and completely free. Our core objective is to move our community towards a circular economy and reduce waste. Before we could begin scheduling and building, we established our project charter. The title of our initiative is ShareHub Malaysia Platform Launch. Our key stakeholders include the everyday user in our community, the university and hall management teams who will host our physical booth, and our NGO partners. To execute this, we have divided our group of 5 into specific roles: a project manager to oversee the timeline, a digital developer for the apps, an operations lead for the physical booth, a marketing lead, and a risk manager. Finally, our charter defines our baseline constraint. We are working with an estimated budget of RM2,500 and 8-week rollout timeline.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Mansur and I will walk you through 2 critical aspects of ShareHub Mind. First, what our potential user actually want based on the real data from 50 respondents. And second, how we organizing the work to deliver this project successfully. Let's start with the data. We surveyed 50 people, mostly young professional aged 23 to 35. The result, 96% are interested in using a swap platform. Half said yes, definitely, and 46% said maybe with the right feature. So what do they want to swap? Number 1, clothing and fashion at 63%. Number 2, textbook at 53%, and number 3, electronic at 47%. But here the critical parts. What are their concerns? A massive 86% worry about scam and fake users. 70% are concerned about item safety, and 69% want a rating and review system. This tells us one thing: user want ShareHub My, but they need trust and safety. That's why our eco-badge verification system is not just a nice to have, it's essential. Now, how do we turn this insight into reality? We use a work breakdown structure, basically breaking this big project into manageable pieces. We have 6 phase over 16 weeks. My personal responsibility are in phase 2, which is I have just completed with our 50 survey response, and phase 5, where I will lead testing and quality assurance. What does this matter? Because the survey I conducted directly inform what trust in design and the testing I will do later ensure what we will actually match what user told us they want. We have 30 plus total tasks, each with a clear owner. This prevents work from falling through the cracks. Finally, let's talk about sequence. In project management, we call this dependency. Tasks that must happen in order. For example, my survey had to happen before Trustney could design the platform. His design must be approved before development start, and testing must pass before we can launch. This is our critical path. If one task slips, everything slips. That's why we monitor progress every single Friday. Looking at our 16-week timeline, we have just completed week 4 with the survey done. Week 5 to 7 are design. Week 8 to 12 are development. Week 30 to 40 are testing, where I come back in. And week 15 to 16 are launch. With clear dependency and weekly monitoring, We are confident ShareHub My will launch on time. To summarize, 69% of users want this platform, but they demand safety. Our WBS ensure we deliver it systematically. And our timeline keep us on track. Next, Trustney will show you the actual design solution. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tashni. Today I'm going to share about the showcase the iRubber solution. ShareHub is a satellite platform for sharing information and service, combine digital website and physical booth. Users can browse product service online, access information anytime, interact physical at the booth, integrated using QR codes, direct links, provide seamless online, offline experience. Next is website and physical booths. Website is user-friendly interface, product service display, booking inquiry system, mobile accessible screenshot of big pages. Physical booth is product display mockups, live demonstration, staff interaction, QR code linking to website. The next is the project timeline. First week, research and idea development. Second week is define problem and solution. Third week, design week's website. Week 4, develop website content. Week 5, booth mockup design. Week 6, testing and improvement. Week 7, final preparation. Week 8 is presentation.
Hi, greeting everybody. I will be presenting the budget and risk management section for our ShareHub MY project. This project is the goal is to design a cost-effective, sustainable plan that support both digital platform and physical community engagement. The total estimate budget for project is only 3,500 ringgit. This covers 4 main areas. The first one is platform development for the website, the Wix website, subscription, domain, and basic app integration. For the marketing and promotion, including posters, social media ads, eco-friendly booth material, and the event and booth setup only 1,000 for the banners, table, reusable display stand, and the contingency fund reserved for the unexpected cost technical issue. And so this will be prioritizing sustainability using recycled material and digital first marketing to minimize waste as the SDG 12 from our objective. Next, we move to the top 3 project risks for the ShareHub Malaysia. The first one is safety concern. Since user will often meet person to trade item, there's a potential risk of unsafe encounters or a misunderstanding. Second one is scam or fake listing. This can damage trust and discourage participant. It is especially critical for a new platform like ours, where reputation is everything. To minimize this, we will implement user verification, rating system, and reporting tools. Low user engagement without proper promotion, the platform might not attract enough active user. Without the active user, the platform value decrease because the item variety become limited. These are the common challenge for community-based platform. So we have developed strategies to manage them effectively. For the next slide. Alright, for the last one for me is risk mitigation strategies. We have proposed 3 mitigation strategies for our business marketing. The first one is eco badge and verified profile. User can earn badge for verified swap and eco-friendly behavior. This building trust and accountability. This badge acts as a trust indicator, helping a new user to identify reliable swapper, and verification will be done through email or a student ID confirmation. We can see this badge around Meta platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. Community guidelines and reporting system. A reporting feature will allow user to flag suspicious or inappropriate listing and our admin team will review the report promptly and take action such as become a warning or temporary bans. The third one is engagement campaign. This campaign will be promoted through social media and university network. We also introduce a reward point for the active participant, which can be redeemed for a small eco-friendly gift or recognition on the platform. By managing our budget wisely and addressing this risk early, ShareHub Malaysia can grow into a safe, sustainable and trusted community platform that support SDG 12. Thank you. That's all from me, Shahid.
Hi everyone, I'll be presenting the final part of our project, which cover communication, monitoring and our conclusion for ShareHub. First, let's look how our team communicate throughout this project. To ensure smooth collaboration, we use simple but effective communication tools. Our main platform is WhatsApp, which we use for daily discussion, quick update and immediate problem solving. Since it is easily accessible, it allows us to stay connected and respond quickly. For more structured work, we use Google Drive to store all our documents and slide in one place. This helps ensure that everyone is always working on the latest version and avoid any confusion. We also conduct regular check-ins, especially when deadlines are approaching. The meeting helps us tracking progress, discuss any issue and make sure everyone is aligned with the project goals. Overall, our communication strategy focuses on clarity, consistency and teamwork to ensure the project runs efficiently. Next, I will explain how we monitor the performance of ShareHub My using Key Performance Indicator or KPIs. Monitoring helps us track our progress, while KPI allow us to measure how successful our platform is. The first KPI is active user. We show the level of interest in our platform. The second is successful item swap, which directly reflects how well we are achieving our goal of encouraging reuse and reducing waste. We also measure user satisfaction through feedback and ratings, so we can understand user experience and identify areas for improvement. In addition, user engagement, such as how often users interact with the platform, give us further insight into user behavior. By tracking this indicator, we can continuously improve ShareHub My and ensure it remains efficient and relevant to users. To conclude, ShareHub My is more than just a platform. It is a step forward building a more sustainable and responsible community. Our project promotes a circular economy where items are reused instead of being discarded. By encouraging people to swap unused items, we help reduce waste and support responsible consumption. This directly aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 12, which focus on sustainable production and consumption practice. Beyond environmental benefit, ShareHub might also strengthen community connection by encouraging people to share resources and support one another. We believe that even small actions such as swapping unused items can create a meaningful impact when practiced collectively. With continuous improvement and support, ShareHub Mind has strong potential to expand and benefit community across Malaysia. Small action create big impact. Thank you. That's all from us.